friends. Hi friends. I am Kanishka. I am going to draw a Santa Claus. First you need a pencil, eraser, scale and a sharpener and some color pencils. Let's draw. First you need to draw a circle and this here like this. You can do the next also like this. In this side you can see. Like this you can draw. Then you can draw the face like this here. Like that you can draw here also. Draw. And you can put some these like here and do the same at the top also. Then you need to curve this here like that. You can do that here. The cap you can do that here. Do that. Like this, then you can draw the here. Color it here like that. Then you can draw the eyebrows here at the top like this. You can see here. And you need to draw a circle here and leave a small circle at that side and color it like this. And do the same at the next side also and do a circle here and color it fully like this. You can see here. Color this fully here like this. You can color it fully. Then you need to draw a body like this in this side also. You can see here. Like here. This you can draw the body. Then you need to scale and put the line here. Then make a same pattern at the bottom also. Then you can put a belt like here. This side you can put a belt like this. Do that. See this like that you can put it and erase the middle part of the belt and draw a rectangle in the middle. And inside also draw a rectangle. Then join the edges. Draw the some more rectangles at the top like this. You can see here. Like that you can draw in this side also. Like this you can draw. Then you next I am going to the bottom of the shoes. You can draw the shoes like this. And this side also one shoe like this in one shoe shoe also like that here. Then I can draw the shoe parts like this in this side. Do a curved shape on the shoe and do a pattern like this. Draw a small line at the bottom of the shoe. Like this you can do the shoe part like this. You can do the shoe part like the first you do. First part I did. I am going to do the second part of the shoes. Like that I can draw the next shoe part like this. You can see here now. Now I can go to the hand part. Now you need to draw a shape like this here and put a line and put the same pattern do here and that pattern I am doing here also. Then you need to join the hand part for the same thing, and you can do the thumb part also like this. You can do this, and the next for the next hand I need to draw a big like this. I will do and make the same pattern I do in the first hand, and now I am doing the same pattern in this hand also. Now you need to draw a thumb finger like this and draw a curved shape in this side. This is the Santa Claus I drawed. Now I can color the Santa Claus. First I take the sandal color for his face and nose. You can draw it in the nose and the face like this. And you can outline it with the sketch also like this. You can color it here also. Like that. Color the. You can do the face of the Santa Claus. Then I am going to the dress parts and the cap parts for the Santa Claus. Going to the dress part first. I am going to color it like this. Like this. Drawing the Santa Claus body. And copying same in this side also. Like this I will do in the next part also, in the bottom side also. You can draw the same color. Then you can leave this part here and these parts here. Now I am going to the hand part. Drawing the red shade in this side also and the next hand also. I'm going to draw the red side and the red hand also like this. I will draw the red. Then I am going to the cap section and I am drawing the red color again. This side also I am going to color it in this side like that. I am doing this part. I am going to the belt section again and color it in the black color. This like this. I am going to color it in black color like this. To color it in fully black. The belt or the black belt. Then I am going to black. Then I am going to mouth and color it red in this tongue. going to the shoe part now. Some more black for the shoe again. The shoe I am going to take the black color and color it fully like this. I am going to color it and I am going to color it very fully like that. I am going to color the shoes like that. I am going to color the shoes here. This is the drawing I have drawn for the Santa Claus. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.